Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're just going to be playing with makeup. I'm not going to be trying anything new because lately I've been trying like a bunch of new stuff, and today I just wanted to just do my makeup and have fun and relax because I really enjoy doing my makeup. It's a way for me to relax and just calm myself down, and yeah, so let's get started with this. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would deeply appreciate it if you would hit that red button below, and let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I've been loving this cream for my base. I definitely think this is a better alternative than applying any primer. I feel like it hydrates and it makes my foundation last all day, and my skin just looks better. As you can see, my skin is very problematic. It's not at its best. It's looking really bad. Lately I've been breaking out a lot, and then I'm a picker. I love to like pick my pimples, and that's not good. And I really concentrate on the sides of my mouth because that's where I tend to get really dry. For foundation, I'm actually going to go with this Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. And this foundation is really good. It's super matte, so if you have really dry skin, I don't think you're gonna like this because it's very matte foundation. But what I do, like right now my skin is very oily combination, like around my mouth, like I said, it's very dry. I hydrate my skin first, especially with that cream, the Kiehl's face cream. That helps my skin to feel a little bit moisturized, and then I apply the foundation. I feel like that works for me. And to apply this foundation, I'm actually going to use a sponge. I'm going to use a Morphe sponge, and I'm going to apply 2 pumps. It does have like a floral scent. It does smell very good. And for concealer, I'm going to go with this ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in shade Light 18. I feel because the foundation is a little bit light on my skin, this concealer is just going to even that out. To set my face, I'm actually going to use this Set Blur Finishing Perfecting Pressed Powder by Estee Lauder, and this is in shade Light, and I feel like this powder just makes everything under control. And then for bronzer, I'm actually going to use this Smashbox Contour Palette, and I'm going to use the middle shade just to add a little bit bronzer to my skin because I'm looking a little bit pale, but I really like the undertone of this bronzer because it's like very reddish undertone, and it doesn't look very ashy. It just looks like a nice red tone. And then for eyebrows, I'm actually going to go with this ABH Brow Wiz, and this is in shade Dark Brown. And for my eyebrows, I don't pluck my eyebrows. I've been wanting to pluck my eyebrows, but the thing is, I really have trust issues, and I really want to go with someone that really knows about eyebrows, and I want my eyebrows to look good because I really do not want to have, some ugly brows. And for blush, I'm actually going to use this Benefit Daintleon, and it's a very nice pink blush. It's very lightweight. It's not very that pink, and it has shimmer, so it just gives you that natural flush. And for my eyes today, I'm going to go with this Tartelette Toasted palette by Tarte. This palette has been my go-to palette at the moment. I got it in December. My sister got it for me for Christmas, and I've been using this palette every single time. Like, this palette has become one of my all-time favorite palettes. The color scheme is so beautiful. I feel like I could use this for like a night to day time, and I really love it. I really love these colors. They're really, they're so good. And also too, the palette smells so great. And I think if you're looking for a palette, this is the palette to go to, especially if you have brown eyes. I feel like this works very good with brown eyes because, I have brown eyes and I've been testing it out, and I just love how it looks on my eyes. And the first shade that we're going to be going in is with this shade, Fireside. It's like a nice deep brown, like mauve shade. So we're going to use this shade all over our eyelid. I like to grab a flat brush and get the shade, and then I'm just going to apply that on my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend it out. And then I'm gonna grab a blending brush and blend that out. And like nothing has to be perfect. It might not look perfect now, but then it will look perfect. And then with a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend this out. And then on the palette, I'm gonna go with this shade Warmth, and I'm gonna use that shade like on my crease. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that just to make that here in the crease. And then for my lower lash, I'm actually going to take this shade Cashmere and Latte. I'm going to put those two in my lower lash. And for mascara, I'm going to go with this It Lash Blowout Mascara. Honestly, it's not my favorite mascara, but it does make my eyelashes a little bit more volume. It gives me volume. And today I don't want to put fake eyelashes. So I think it's not my favorite, but I have it. So might as well use it up. So I'm going to use this for my upper and lower lash. I feel like my cheeks are missing something, and I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Shady Stick in shade Cinnamon, or actually it's a match stick. It's like a bronzer, but I'm going to use it more like a highlighter. It has like a nice tone to it, so I'm just going to apply it like this. And for lips today, I'm going to use this Sephora Collection lipstick, and this is in shade 6, Tan Lines. It's like a very nude color. And this is a completed look. It is very natural. Skin is very lightweight. It's not heavy. The eyes look very natural. At least for me, my eyes look very natural. I love how my eyes look with this eye look. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you next time. And thank you so much for watching.